To use email to send money with Zelle, you will need to have a bank account and an email address. First, you need to check if your bank supports Zelle. As not all banks participate in the Zelle network, you can do this by visiting the Zelle website and using their lookup tool to see if your bank is on the list. Once you have confirmed that your bank supports Zelle, you can enroll in the service through your bank's website or mobile app. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and bank account details. To send money using email with Zelle, you will need to know the recipient's email address. Open your email client and compose a new email to the recipient's email address. In the body of the email, you will need to include a message that includes the amount you want to send and any other relevant details. Next, you will need to initiate the Zelle transfer through your bank's website or mobile app. You can do this by selecting the Send Money option and entering the recipient's email address and the amount you want to send. You will then be prompted to review and confirm the transaction. The recipient will receive an email notification with instructions on how to claim the money. They will need to enroll in Zelle if they have not already done so, and then they can direct the money to their bank account. It is essential to only send money to people you know and trust. As Zelle transactions are typically irrevocable, you should also be cautious when sending money via email, as it may be vulnerable to phishing scams. Best practices for using Zelle to send money via email include double-checking the recipient's email address, using a secure internet connection, and keeping your bank account and email information up to date. By following these steps and guidelines, you can safely and efficiently use email to send money with Zelle.